Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this Canva lesson, we are going to continue with the categories within the Elements tab. So let's get started. So in our previous lesson, we looked at the shapes, graphics, and 3D. Today, we are going to look at the animations, photos, frames, and grids. So let's start with animations. Animations are usually used in videos just to make your videos more interactive, and they're also in categories. We have the arrow animations, word animations, food animations, shape animations, emojis, confettis, social media, and others. So you can always choose from any that you want, and you can always use them in your videos to make them more interactive. So let's go to photos. Photos, this is where you find the stock photos that are within Canva. So you can always search for anything that you want. Let's say you can search for a blue background, and then it will bring you different backgrounds, and you will choose from any that you want depending on what you want to design. Or alternatively, you can get photos from your uploads or gallery. And then we have the frames. The frames, these are usually placeholders where you can put your images. So they're also categorized into basic shapes, film and photo devices, paper, flowers, globe, retro, letters, numbers, and other trending shapes that you would like to use. So this is how you use the frames. You can click on any. Let's say I've chosen this one. And then if you want to put an image within this frame, you're going to go to replace, and you're going to choose any image, and then your image will automatically be placed within that frame. And that is how frames are used. You're going to delete this. Then when you go back to elements, we are going to look at grids. Grids are ready layout frames that divide your page into sections. So when you click on any of these grids like this, you can click on individual frames and then put images within those frames like I showed you. So we'll go to replace, and then we'll look for an image like this, and then we'll place it there. Again, I'll click on this frame and choose any image. Again, I'll click on this one and I'll choose any image. So this is how the grids work. So that is it for today's lesson. Feel free to send me your work via my email or WhatsApp so that I see what you come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Bye!